St. Lucia is poised for a record-breaking cruise season with expectations of a significant surge in visitor arrivals. Senator Gibeon Ferdinand, Parliamentary Secretary in the Ministry of Tourism, expressed optimism about the upcoming season. Tourism officials project 459 cruise ship calls and more than 823,000 passengers for the period. They say the anticipated numbers signal a robust recovery, surpassing pre-pandemic levels records in 2019, which stood as the island's previous best year for cruise tourism.
Yes, the cruise season actually opened this month, and based on the projections we've seen, there is going to be a record-breaking set of arrivals this season.
The island has already welcomed several inaugural calls, with more scheduled for the coming months.
Quite a few inaugural calls, quite a few of them going all the way up to February next year. That means that some of those cruise lines would be coming to St. Lucia for the very first time. You might have seen the arrival of the Ruby Express a couple of weeks ago. That is from the same cruise line with the same lines or the same service providers for Express des Îles. It's a bigger vessel, it has a greater capacity, and I think the level of comfort and the amenities that it offers are tremendous, and that just signals one of the many more offerings that we can expect in the cruise season this year.
In the 2023 season, St. Lucia reportedly lodged a 34% increase in passengers and a 74% rise in vessel arrivals. The senator highlighted the positive impact of these developments on the local economy.
The projections are that the figures will be a lot higher, the arrivals will be a lot higher, and of course, because of our policies, there's greater participation expected. As you would know, we also have the port development on the way, and that is also good news for the cruise industry for us.
Last week, Tourism Minister Dr. Ernest Hilaire announced that Global Ports Holdings is nearing completion of the design phase for the transformation of the Castries cruise port. While addressing a meeting at the Tourism Advisory Committee in Marigot on Thursday, he indicated construction could begin in the near future and that the developer is currently engaged in discussions with the Development Control Authority as architectural plans reach their final stages. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.